Okay. Now the transponder. The what is the transponder? Very important word, transponder. The transponder in a communication satellite is the series of components that provides the communication channel or link between the uplink signal received at the uplink antenna. Uplink means the frequency from the earth station to satellite, that is the uplink, and the downlink signal transmitted by the downlink antenna. Downlink means the antenna, both antenna present in the satellite. Downlink antenna provides or transmits signal for earth station. Uplink antenna from the earth station transmit to satellite, and uplink antenna the satellite receive the signal from the earth station. Transponder in a communication satellite is a series of components that provides the communication channel or link between the uplink signal received of the uplink antenna and the downlink signal transmitted by the downlink signal antenna. The main function of the satellite transponder is that is the frequency translation. We all know the uplink, there is a difference between the uplink frequency and the downlink frequency. Here, frequency received, FUP, is the frequency received from the earth station, and that is mixed with a local oscillator in a down converter. Just like super heterodyne receiver, you all remember the super heterodyne receiver. Just like the primary part of the super heterodyne receiver, their local oscillator frequency is subtracted from the received signal. Then this is the intermediate frequency, and again it is up converted to downlink frequency and power amplified, then transmitted to the earth station. That is a procedure of frequency translation transponder, or it is called the repeater. Now the another case of on-board processing transponder, or called the regenerative repeater. What regenerative repeater? Here the signal received from the earth station, FUP, it is again mixed with the local oscillator, then it is passed through the demodulator, again amplify, error correction, again modulator with a signal frequency, then power amplifier, then through the downlink frequency. It is also a process of creating the downlink frequency. This is done by the on-board processing transponder or the regenerative repeater. Now this is the pins. This is a simplified signal single conversion transponder where the 6 gigahertz frequency received from the earth station, that is passes through a low noise amplifier, LNA, that is a band pass filter of 6 gigahertz, and that is down converted to 4 gigahertz, and that is passed through the downlink antenna. It is a very simple process of converting 6 gigahertz to 4 gigahertz. Now this is a double conversion transponder where the 14 gigahertz uplink antenna is passes through the low noise amplifier, then band pass filter, then down converter, and again it is mixed with a local oscillator of 10 gigahertz, and it is converted to 11 gigahertz. This is another process of 14 gigahertz is the uplink frequency, downlink frequency is the 11 gigahertz. So two type of question may become. One is the technique, draw the transponder of block diagram of 6 to 4 gigahertz. So then you have to draw this first one and this one where the 6 gigahertz, how to convert it to 4 gigahertz. 6 gigahertz is the uplink frequency and 4 gigahertz is the downlink frequency. And the next one is the 14 gigahertz is the uplink frequency and downlink frequency 11 gigahertz. These are the two types of conversion technique in the transponder. Satellite antenna, various type of satellite antenna there, mainly horn antenna is used, and I will provide you the little notes on about this. Okay, thank you.